water tank. It's gonna
Rubber too?
that way. This is the pipe, blue pipe. They're gonna run blue pipe here, right here, all the way there. So this is for the water line, main water line headed to the house. Shadow Cooper, where you at? Cooper Shadow. Water line to there. Four inch, 3 inch, 2 inch pipe. So there we go. Where's Cooper Shadow? Okay, I'll throw around this house here. So this is it. This is the commode here in the master bedroom. It is a shower, commode, tub, shower. This is a clean out here. Another sink, another tub right there, and sink right here. So this is our line here, our line right here, twisted around here, and this one here, and also this one here is another pipe.
Blue
Commode,
probably run all the way in the house.
sink, commode and sink. Washer and dryer. And also this one here is another sink, commode, shower, clean out. So this is it. So now we're headed to another wrap in because we have to wrap in today. Thank you for watching. This is me, Filipina in Texas. I'll tell you in next of our wrap in because we have to wrap in today. So we are headed there after this wrap in. So this is it.